Kia ora everybody, I'm the Bento Buster in Japan, and today we're making a teriyaki rice burger, so please stay tuned. Okay, let's get started. Add your black sesame seeds to the rice and start mixing. Line your mold with saran wrap and fill it up. Each rice bun should weigh around 70 to 80 grams. Gently shape the rice bun by pressing down the flattener. This rice burger bun is about 8 centimeters across and about 2 centimeters deep. You want the rice grains to stick together, so don't be afraid to squish it. In fact, the more you squish it, the better. Heat some oil in a non-stick fry pan at a medium heat. Add the chicken and fry until golden and cooked through. Pour on the teriyaki sauce and bring it to the boil. Keep stirring and coating the chicken until the sauce thickens. Reduce the heat, and when it's done, the chicken should be coated with a nice and shiny glaze. I want the rice buns to have a yaki onigiri feel to them. So coat each side with some soy sauce and fry it in a little bit of oil. You want to cook them until they're golden brown and nice and crispy. You can sprinkle on some Japanese 7-spice SHICHIMI to give it some kick. Now let's start assembling the burger. Add some mustard and lettuce to the bun, followed by that juicy piece of teriyaki chicken. Cut out a strip of nori seaweed and wrap it around the top bun. And top it off with some wasabi mayonnaise. And there we have it, our teriyaki rice burger. Sweet and juicy on the inside, spicy and crunchy on the outside. It's a real special treat, so enjoy. I am the Bento Buster, thank you for watching and see you next time.